Hi everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. I want to show you how to remove and reinstall the Sunshield on your Assault helmet. First thing you want to do, lift that outer shield all the way to the top. And for our purposes today, I'm actually going to remove this outer shield just so it's not in the way and you guys can see a little bit easier. Set that off to the side here. So first thing we want to do, drop that Sunshield all the way to the down position. And from there, I like to grab the shield, pull down on it ever so slightly as I'm doing this, and literally just pull it straight out of the helmet. So you can see it popped right off there. It's held on by a carrier here and these little prongs right there. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just grab that shield. It's got quite a bit of flex to it, so don't be afraid to grab it. And go ahead and just pull out. And there you go. It's removed from the helmet. Now to reinstall it, what we're going to do, I start on the right-hand side. This carrier is free floating, so I like to make sure it's fully in the down position and start there just because I have better access to it without the shield all the way already on the helmet. And this side is actually attached to the slider here, so it's a little bit easier to maneuver. So once I make sure that's in the down position, I go ahead and line up my prongs right here with the center of the carrier. And you make sure you got some good lights you can see in there. Line it up, and then just snap it into place. Now I go to the other side, make sure that carrier is in the fully down position. Get my prongs centered in the carrier there, and just press it home. Now that I've got it reinstalled, it looks nice and straight. I raise it up and down several times, just to make sure everything is fully aligned and it's not binding on any part of the helmet. So now everything looks good to go. I can reinstall my outer shield. Remember, line up the tabs with the base plate there. Line it up, squeeze it, and press it down. We are good to go, ready to ride. LS2 helmets, always ahead.